Hola amigos, buenos días, espero que estéis muy bien, yo estoy muy bien también y hoy vamos a aprender las verduras en español. Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Malkani. So what I just said today is that we are going to learn a few vegetable names, how to pronounce them and how to write them in Spanish. So can you imagine how cool? So without wasting any further time, let's see how do we pronounce and write the vegetables in Spanish. Cucumber, Pepino, Pepino. Tomato, tomate, tomate. Onion, cebolla, cebolla. Garlic, ajo, ajo. Bell peppers, pimientos, pimientos. Corn, maíz, maíz. Ginger, gengibre, gengibre. Potatoes, patatas, patatas, or you could also pronounce it as papas, papas. Celery, apio, apio. Lettuce, lechuga, lechuga. Beans, Judias, Verdes, Judias, Verdes. Pumpkin, Calabaza, Calabaza. Cabbage, Col. Spinach, Espinacas, Espinacas. Carrot, Zanahoria, Zanahoria. So now, if we wanted to order a pizza with lots of vegetables, this is how would we place our order in Spanish.
Hola, buenos días. Me gustaría pedir una pizza vegetal con maíz, cebolla y pimientos, por favor. Muchas gracias. That's it for today, guys. If you like the video, then please consider subscribing to my channel. See you. Bye-bye.